economic policy against in isolation. These are all terms which are used in both in art and law for the purpose of conveying certain ideas. But we are looking at social choice theory, namely how would governments make important social policies and social choices. You will avoid something like a trade-off between vested interests and effacing of those vested interests. Therefore, governments have very often difficult issues in, framing what called a social choice policy, either in the welfare realm or in economics connected to welfare. So economics is so intricately connected to a wide range of social policy issues. So we are looking at this not merely in economic policy in that narrow sense of the term, but a wider social policy. A social policy where the three evils ought to be addressed, and a social policy where the government wants to move forward and a wide range of social welfare, social policy, economic policy, and all that put together, woven together in a broad range of a forward movement approach to certain issues. Therefore, in that process, we have all those, when you moved from a controlled economy to market economy. So we had all those issues which confronted at that point of time. We believed so strongly that controlled economy, socialism, part of preamble, we can never move into it. Balco is an example. So privatization. So when you move into one framework to another framework, and we keep on moving, the nation keeps on moving into those frameworks. Therefore, this trade-off sometimes will have to be balanced. So in that, several difficulties will be presented to the court, even to a policy maker. So how much can I stretch it? To what extent can I stretch it? So if that question was asked in favor of, give me an answer in favor of each one of those who are present before the court, then the stretching is not a policy decision making. It becomes an examination of each individual case, and then virtually nullifying the policy itself. So the essence of the policy will be so weakened. The moment the court has to enter into each and every case and says, well, of course, there's some deserving cases, but then like a band which happens, or an electrical errant train suddenly halts because the electricity goes off. New York City went off for 2 days of electricity. These are issues which probably nobody can say, I will draw a mathematical equation with precision and says those who fall within this, well, I'll say acceptable to law, but not otherwise. Therefore, we have these problems there. So I would only appeal to the court to look at from the broader perspective. When you keep on saying economic policy, don't touch it, it is again from a larger angle. So in 1930s, the New York Ice Company case before the US Supreme Court, they were looking at this problem. How do you regulate trade